Oh, hi everyone. So this is a practice where when you're feeling anxiety, the quickest route to actually come out of your head and then to observe your thoughts rather than be in the midst of them is to return to the body. And a practice I really love is nestling myself in the sound bath of life around me. So we can sit back and enjoy this practice, and I'm going to encourage you to open the sense door of hearing and to allow those sounds in, and then we'll gently move to the sense door of the mind. So taking a posture, you can lay down for this, you can do some gentle mindful movement, you can stand on the soles of your feet and just rock gently and allow the body to move in harmony with the sounds around you. And if it's comfortable, then closing your eyelids mindfully and slowly, and then bringing awareness to the body in this moment. Maybe making adjustments to your posture. Maybe if you're seated, having your hands at the top of your thighs, really feeling that opening up in the body. And then as you breathe in, feeling the energizing in-breath, that rising up the spine, all the way to the crown of the head, maybe imagining that invisible cord from the crown of the head up into the skies. And then as you breathe out, allowing the body to ease back in this moment, softening the belly, allowing the large muscles of the buttocks and the thighs to rest against the chair. Just noticing the feeling tone of this moment, whether you're liking this moment or not liking, or whether there's a feeling of numbness. And maybe this is enough. Maybe being with the body moment by moment, breath by breath is enough. If so, follow your own practice and allow my words to just fall through the system. There'll be sounds that will merge with other sounds. The invitation is to gently turn your awareness to the sense door of hearing. And now that we've stilled, bringing awareness to the sounds moment by moment. If you can, resisting the urge to label the sounds. Allowing them to arrive as if we were out walking and the sun's rays would be falling on our body. We wouldn't be labelling each ray as good or bad. We wouldn't be reaching for the sun's rays. They would be falling on our body. And allowing the sounds to do the same. They might be distant sounds, sounds very close, maybe even sounds within your own body. Bringing awareness to any liking or aversion to any sounds that are emerging. Noticing where that liking or aversion might be expressing in the body, or maybe attaching thoughts. And as you're resting, maybe bringing awareness to the space in between sounds, or maybe around, maybe above or below sounds, the silences, the space. Being with each moment and the uniqueness, the ever-changingness of the experience as we rest in this sound bath of life. And then gently turning our awareness to the quality of our mind in this moment. So just as we were resting amidst the sounds, bring in that quality of observing to our mind, our thoughts. Noticing whether the mind is busy or hurried, cluttered or quiet or calm. Even if we can bring that quality of acceptance to each moment. And just as we didn't grasp for sounds around, we allowed them to emerge and to rise and fall back, seeing if we can do the same with our thoughts. Allowing the mind to have an openness and a spaciousness to it. Allowing the mind to roam freely. Bringing mindful awareness to any judging of thoughts as good or bad, liking or not liking. Witnessing them as thoughts. And just as we notice the space or the silence around sounds, witnessing the gaps, the spaces in between thoughts. And then gently releasing the practice and Returning to the body in this moment, the body breathing us. Noticing the rising in the body with the in-breath and the falling back, the easeful out-breath. And thanking ourselves for this practice. Maybe setting a gentle intention for ourselves for the moments following this meditation. And mindfully and slowly opening the eyelids with a soft gaze before returning to our day.